Today, let's talk about UPS and take the GoldenMate 8 outlets UPS as an example. Just good to give it a review too, as we use it as a work protector for a few weeks. So if you've subscribed to our channel for over a year, you must know that we've reviewed and kept many power stations in the studio just for emergency and outdoor uses. But the truth is, they mostly stand by at the corner and serve as a backup power. The only feature that might make them useful for indoor uses is the UPS. Well, however, compared with a single UPS, those power stations are relatively heavy and bulky, and most importantly, they would cost you much more money. So the GoldenMate 8 outlet UPS for about $170 is a great example. If you value home and office power protection for every day and without huge backup power demands, try the UPS. Let's take a closer look at the GoldenMate UPS. As a portable UPS, the design is quite simple. To its credit, it comes with up to 8 AC outlets. The outlets support up to 1000 VA or 800 watt load capacity. It's not defined as a large power backup, but GoldenMate still gives it a built-in 230 watt-hour battery in case of emergency. So basically, if not for huge demands on backup power, it's a pretty safe setup to offer personal battery backup and surge protector. The battery material is the most important feature that distinguishes the GoldenMate from most home-use UPS systems. Unlike most others using lead-acid batteries, it's housing a built-in lithium iron phosphate battery, which will be lighter and offer a longer lifespan. As claimed, the battery pack inside is certified with a lifespan of over 10 years and 5,000 cycles. Well, that's a long way off for our time of use, so we couldn't actually test out its extreme durability. But the truth is, it's really stable for the past weeks. We have tried and tested with the different scenarios, no matter for our network and NAS devices or even the workstation with over 600 watt power, it always provides uninterrupted power connectivity. During the test, one of my biggest concerns was whether it would save my work when the power suddenly goes out. A power outage can ruin your unsaved work and of course a good day as well. If it hasn't happened to you yet, you are in luck. But still, it's important to note that the causes of power outages are often complex, like the aging grid, overloading, severe weather, or maybe just a mad supplier. The GoldenMate UPS systems support an extremely short conversion time of less than 20 milliseconds, so it will be fine for continuously powering up a computer. In addition to keeping an eye on its working state, we also simply simulated some extreme damage scenarios. For example, frequent power cuts to verify its reliability. As the recorded clips show, nothing happened to the connected PC and other small devices. Then, to ensure that a complete workflow wouldn't be interrupted, we used another pack of UPS to connect up to multiple small network devices such as the gateway, 2 routers, the NAS, and so on. Well, the network connection wasn't broken and it just looks like the workstation now can live off-grid. You may have also noticed that we didn't hold it in one position during the week. It's smaller and lighter than we expected. So when we give it a test of the different scenarios, I can easily carry it whenever you need it. And the upright design also makes it take up less space than a compact PC case. Another good point is the fan cooling for heat dissipation. We have never once had a problem with overheating. Another great bonus feature is the LCD info panel. To be honest, it's way more useful than we imagined. It acts like a complete power station, providing real-time battery, input and output data. The data includes input and output voltage and power, battery status, output load percentage, AVR status, and estimated battery backup runtime. Now the GoldenMate powers one mini PC, a full-size tower PC, a monitor, multiple mobile devices, as well as a secure camera. During more or less a frequent power outage before the generator takes over, it gives me peace of mind to know I will never lose data. And it also cuts way down on the wear and tear of power surges and brownouts. The UPS has proven reliable. Now we can just free those power stations for outdoor or car travel uses only. For those who live in underdeveloped area or any places where the electric grid is aging, I truly recommend a UPS. The GoldenMate is just a good example. You won't expect to use it often, but it would be there for those moments and help you find peace of mind. So in case you cannot find a reliable one, you can check out the link down below. It's the UPS page in GoldenMate store. You can check out if it is available for shipment. Alright, so that's all we want to share with you. Thanks for watching. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you soon.